Try to eliminate your egos and oneness if you have. Because life is a very simple thing and you need to live it in a simple way. All the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel, Honest Yoga. What is Virbhadra Asana? What is warrior pose? Why this posture is named as Virbhadra Asana? Actually, I have heard about Virbhadra from my mother. She is no more in this world. My mother used to give worship to Lord Shiva each and every day. Actually, what is written there in Hindu mythology about Virbhadra?
According to Hindu mythology, a powerful priest, Daksha, made a great yagga, and he did not invite his daughter, Sati, and her husband, Lord Shiva. Sati found herself very insulted for that and decided to throw herself into the fire, and she did it. When Shiva heard about Sati's death, he was devastated. Then he gave birth of Virbhadra. Virbhadra represents a great warrior, a soldier to kill ego and ignorance within us. Thus, he was created to destroy Daksha, who was full of ego and ignorance. Virbhadra's first accept, Virbhadra Asana 1, Warrior Pose 1, is his arrival with swords in both hands. In his second aspect, Virbhadra Asana 2, Warrior Pose 2, he sights his opponent Daksha. And in his third aspect, Virbhadra Asana 3, moving swiftly and precisely, he decapitates Daksha with his sword. Stand erect in Samasthiti position. Now spread your legs by jumping about 3 to 4 feet apart. Now turn your right foot outwards by 90 degrees and the left foot 15 to 45 degrees, making sure the heel of the right foot is perfectly aligned with the center of the left foot. Exhale and bend your right knee such that your knee and ankle form a straight line. Make sure that your knee does not go ahead of your ankle. Turn your gaze to the right as you move into the pose. Stretch your arms above your head. Look at your palms. Gently push your pelvic down. Hold the pose with the same determination as a warrior and wear a smile on your face. Breathe normally and keep going down. If you have any problem with your neck, then do not try to look upward. Just your drishti should be straight. Exhale and come into the Samasthiti position by jumping back. Stand straight in Samasthiti position. Spread your legs by jumping wide apart. Turn your right feet out to face the right side of the mat. The other feet will turn inward to make a 45 degree to 90 degree angle. Do not twist your body. Keep it in the center facing the front. Go forward on your right knee making a 90 degree angle. Make sure your knee does not cross over the toe. Turn your neck right, look right. Let the other leg stretch properly. Bring your arms parallel to the floor, stretched wide apart. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Your left leg should be stretched. If you want to engage your right knee more than 90 degree, then your big toe and your knee should be in one line. Otherwise, your heel with your knee should be 90 degree. From Samasthiti position, find a balance by lifting your right leg. As you inhale, your torso go forward and your right leg go backward. Find a balance. Raise your both hand towards your head, and your hand, leg and body should be in parallel, and your left leg should be straight in position and holding your all body weight. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. If it is not possible, then start with 5 seconds and gradually increase it up to 30 seconds. It's a very challenging pose, so after performing Virabhadrasana 1 and 2 and some balancing yoga poses, you should try this. Each and every pose of Warrior 1, 2 or 3, you have to perform both sides. Now you are balancing with your right leg. Your body weight should be on right leg. Hold this position for 30 seconds.
So benefits of Virabhadrasana, it will give you strength throughout your body, your arms, your shoulders, your legs, your ankle, your abdomen, your chest, your back, all the body parts will work if you do perform Virabhadrasana 1, 2 and 3. It will give you immense strength, mental strength, physical strength. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time, and thank you so much for your support. My name is Sammy, Yogi Sammy, and thank you so much for watching. Lord Shiva bless you all.